Hello again! Today I want to show you the armorstand robot version 2.0. More specific, I want to show you the features, so what it can do, and how to operate the command blocks to play with this yourself. And of course for that you need the download, which you can find in the description below. Now, first off, the features are nearly the same as in the old version, so the bot stands on a redstone lamp, he will wait until you activate it. Also, repeaters can turn him, set him into new directions, like before, only this time the repeaters will stay. Also, you can see here the animations are now smooth, thanks to entity data. Like before, he can mine blocks and kill entities, but we have a larger variety of things he can do with it. For example, he will ignore the items on the ground, and it's easy to program him to, for example, ignore the wooden pressure plates, so we can use them in our builds too. Also new, we can have 3 different speeds, which we can adjust by letting him walk above slime blocks or packed ice. And he can climb ladders. Well, not so much climb as fly above. I mean, he's a robot after all. Then of course we have the option to include more robots than one, and they can be different. And they interact. So for example, this robot waits until he passed, and if I would stand here, he will tell me and waits for me to move aside. So, pretty nice feature set thanks to the new setup. I'm pretty happy with it. There are a few minor details that I didn't mention yet, which well, have not so much significance. But yeah, let me show you how to operate this now. Here you can see the command blocks I use. In the back, plus this clock in front, that's our brain. This is the setup that will make the bot smooth. On the right side, we have some command blocks that we use to create and remove objectives and clear scoreboard values. So this is your panel to set up when you copy this into your world, which you can do, by the way, because everything is made with relative coordinates. And also it's nice to clean up with that. And on the left side, we have set up to create new bots, to summon them into the world. So I guess we start with that. No, wait, over here. Once you copy this into your own world, if you want to, you just have to press this button here, and the command blocks will create all necessary scoreboard objectives to operate this bot. Down here you can press the button to remove them all, and up here this button will clear all scoreboard values, so with these two you can clean up your world if you need to. Then on the left side, the setup to summon them. There are a few buttons, but you can mostly ignore them. Just activate this clock. With that you get 2 spawn eggs, and if you place them down, you can create mini-me versions of dog or me. Of course you can change the bots to something else too, but you need to add or change a few command blocks in here. And how to do that? Well, I'll make an in-depth tutorial about the system, but that will take some time, seeing how it's not as easy as the last version. So yeah, you have to wait for that one. Otherwise, that's how you create new bots. And once you have a bot placed down somewhere, you can activate this clock, or you can have it running and place down some bots then, no problem. And the bots will start to work. Also, if you prefer that while testing or debugging, you can use this button to make little small steps that will only iterate 1 tick. You barely notice it right now. And with that you can have a better view of how the scoreboard values change or them doing stuff. One last hint before I go. If you use several of these in one world, be careful, because it can get quite laggy with the intense amount of calculations needed to be done. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this feature. Well, don't run away. Thank you for watching. See you next time.